Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make marshmallow slime at home. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 10 large marshmallows, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. This simple recipe creates a wonderfully stretchy and edible slime that's perfect for a fun activity. It's a unique twist on traditional slime, offering a soft, pliable texture. To begin, you'll need about 10 large marshmallows. These form the primary base of your slime, providing its unique texture. Next, grab 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. This is crucial for making the slime pliable and less sticky. Finally, have 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar ready. This ingredient helps to firm up the mixture and gives it that smooth, non-tacky finish. Start by placing your 10 large marshmallows and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil into a microwave-safe bowl. Heat them for about 30 seconds, then stir until smooth. If needed, microwave for another 15 seconds. Once melted, gradually add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, mixing it in thoroughly. As it cools, knead the mixture with your hands until it forms a cohesive, stretchy slime. If your slime feels too sticky, simply knead in a little more powdered sugar, a half teaspoon at a time, until it reaches your desired consistency. For storage, keep your marshmallow slime in an airtight container at room temperature. It stays fresh for a few days. Remember, this slime is edible, making it a safe and delightful treat for all ages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.